1 Pakistan.
And sadly leaves for a duck. Gone. 59 for 5.
93 for 5.
Afridi. He wasn't there long. He's gone for naught. It's 164 for 5.
The very first ball, 176 for 6.
Turns around to look at the stumps. He goes for
Turn and run away from the ball. He managed to keep it in his arm.
And Afridi ready. Oh, got him! First up! Graham Swan with 2 in 2.
That must be a decisive moment in this game. Just the beautiful teasing delivery outside off, the turn, the inside edge onto stumps, and the furniture rearranged. Afridi out for naught. 104 for 6.
Boom, boom, Afridi's out there to win 68 balls, 58, and he's got to get it cracking then. Shahid Afridi, strike rate of 113.8. And he's gone. Thank you very much for coming. First bowler for Shahid Afridi. Sri Lankans now very much back in it, absolutely ecstatic because Afridi is always a big wicket.
Well, it is a big wicket, but can you believe it? He's gone for naught of the very first ball, 176 for 6.
Let's join them for action.
He got him! Bingo! Afridi playing from his crease, didn't move his feet, the ball came back at him, and what a sensational start. Well, Dougie Brown seems to have made a habit of this. 2 wickets in the first over against the West Indies in the last game England played. And now here he struck again with the second ball. Very good delivery and a very similar shot to what Phil Wallace played when he was batting the other day. Very little foot movement, the ball sneaking through the gate and knocking back the off stump. What a start for England, 1 for 1 Pakistan.
Pakistan this time in a slightly less familiar number 6. Let's see whether he can turn the tide. Well, again it's going to be a yes and no. And it looks like it's going to be Shahid Afridi who will have to go. He had crossed. What a costly error. And Yusuf Johanna, once again, should we say, responsible.
What is going on out there? What is going on? Bob Wilmer will be tearing his hair out. Pakistan were in a great position to win this game, hands down.